Hey guys, we're here at Open Sauce 2024. Now you may remember that I came to this exact same event last year, but we're in a totally different location, things are totally changed, and I want to see what exactly is different, what new guests there might be, what new contraptions there might be here. So without further ado, let's take a look at the event. I am so happy to be back at the Cow Palace. This is actually one of my favorite buildings in southern San Francisco, simply because I have been to it for so many really cool events, including now Open Sauce, but also New Japan Pro Wrestling events, AEW wrestling events, as well as going to the Dickens Fair here. So I've done a lot of activities and I was thrilled when Open Sauce was announced to be in here. I hope they come back again next year because for me so far, this is day 2, just as a little sneak peek. It's been great. So I'm going to go into day 2 now with really high expectations. Day 1 was amazing. Let's get to it. All right, guys, let's go into the main expo hall where you can get all your Open Sauce merch. You know what? Let's start over here. Since we seem to have some. Oh, look at the giant bear trap, dude. Oh, it's the it's the scooter car. Amazing. Michael Reeves' scooter car. That is it doesn't seem practical. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't seem practical. But it seems fun. It seems fun. Ooh, look at all these other things. Nice. Sick. So many fun contraptions. What is this? Oh my god, it's a makeup gun. I want to try it. It probably doesn't work well. Maybe it works really well and you just get coated completely makeup. It's something I should try. Nurgle approves. Slanesh does too, actually. It fits both of them. One day.
One day?
One day. Probably not. But wouldn't it be cool? And for now, I'll just slide one around. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump into the video to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, especially if you're enjoying the content that you find here. And if you're into the spicier side of the hobby, well, my Only Fanatics VIP page is currently 50% off through the end of the month for new subscribers. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, use the link in the video description below, and I hope to see you there. Now let's go ahead and get back to the video. shooting into this. Yeah, there you go. I love how they just scoop them up. That is so rad. Let's see if we can get another better shot, different angle. That's so cool. Look at you.
You guys want to try it?
Oh, look at it. Oh, he rolled over. Now, while OpenSauce 2024 did not feature a Liberty ship like last year, they did have the Western Warship Combat Club in attendance, and these guys were awesome. They 3D print the superstructures to their scale model boats and shell them in balsa wood so that the CO2 powered cannons that they equip them with can cause realistic battle damage. Speaking of combat damage, my friend from last year, Brett, the creator of Waste World Toys, also had a booth, and he had some gnarly new toys to show off, including some VR controlled cars, some jousting cars, which were just so cool, and tons more. But it wasn't all just fun and games at OpenSauce. There was also a hardcore, white-knuckled race taking place at the Power Wheels Not Drugs race. There's a tank in this race, and that is who we are going to help. We're going to fire this gun at everybody but the tank. Are you ready? The race was intense, but despite my best efforts, the Boba Tank only scored 3rd place. So I had to go drown my sorrows in an absolutely awesome selection of food trucks. So I guess it wasn't the end of the world. All right, that has been me at OpenSauce 2024. I loved this con. It was a blast, and I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog about it. Thank you to all my patrons and YouTube members for supporting the content that we make here and making so this channel can keep happening. You guys are awesome, and I will see you all next time.